I fall asleep like an elephant man. Elephants charging up my sleeves, uprooting, frightened villagers scream, "Run! It's him! The sleeping elephant man!" Tusks curled round my knees, wrinkled grey ears sprouting stiff hairs like porcupine quills to ward off the stranger's careless caress. Children laugh and squeal, "Look at him, so lumbering huge!" Awkwardly, he attacks the last girlfriend sitting by the window, stealing crackers, snorting cheese, quaffing white wine, and acting imbecile as always. He threatens, "Why not fuck me now?" As I am hugely fond of your fear of me, and wondering why I never tried to fall asleep as an elephant man. Before there were cupcakes in her eyes and little glum mermaids playing broken harps down by the Sing Sing seashore, there was my elephant desire to trample grass huts, maybe even wear one. In a movie about Tarzan, the white ape man, king of the can, I fall asleep like an elephant man. Outside, it's elephant time. Wildness threatens all that yuppie horse shit. Stampeding good times, swinging from tree to tree. The monkey is always watching me. What do I care for the sad, awful, chattering banana eaters and their little hats and noisemakers announcing the next idiotic thing we should all want to do together for no reason other than to avoid falling asleep like an elephant man. Oh, wildness thundering backwards. 100 years of British rule and roasted teas rotting my teeth. We kill and rape by the thousands, by the millennia, just to avoid the truth of elephant eyes, all crinkled like grandmother time asking, "Where did you put my last cup of sugar, dear?" I must have it to drink down the endless decay and fall asleep like an elephant woman. Free swinging trunks hosing down hides at the elephant wash, otherwise known as a river, turned into a raging brown sewer. Who is the animal, the beast, the one most vile after all? So pile up my straw mansions tonight in bales of perfect endangered tribes of thought. Incarcerate me, watch me sleep like an elephant man, now that neither one can be free.